Hi, thanks for visiting my channel, Indoor and Outdoor Gardening. Today, before I cook my spring onions, I will show you now the two types of spring onions that I harvested. Yeah, this one, and also the other one. This, I think they call it spring onions. This onion was cut into these onions that I bought and put water to make it stay and live longer. So every time when it grows, I will cut it and then cook. I cook this. This is the second time I'm gonna cook the leaves. And as you can see, this other onion was planted on my backyard, but this is different types. But I think the taste still the same. And also, when you buy spring onion to use it longer, just put it on a bottle, clean bottle, pour water on it, and also as long as the leaves grow, you can use it for cooking. And later I will plant it, probably if I use it there on my garden, the back. And also these good smelling plants, it's a tea. You can use tea for this. I make it grow on this bottle with water. But you see, it's full grown now, and I also will plan to put it on my backyard. It's easy to do anything, yeah? Anything is easy, yeah? Mint. Yeah, they call this mint. Sorry, I forgot. So I got lots of mints in this one. And also beware, do not plant your mint on a garden, backyard garden. Why? Because it will become like a pest. Uh, it is like here in UK when they planted a Chinese bamboo shoots. So when it grows on a field, it becomes a pest. They're trying their best to destroy and kill it, even using some chemicals, but they cannot get rid of bamboo shoot anymore. Same with this mint. All you have to do is plant it on a pot or big container, yeah? So this one I'm going to replant it permanently on my pot at the backyard. That, that one and also this one. Yeah, same mint. It's easy to do this. All you have to do is punch a hole on your margarine or anything that you can use. Then wait 5 to 10 days. Then you can see that the yeah that the root will sprout and will grow. And again, I thank you for visiting my indoor and outdoor garden. And I hope that you will subscribe and you will see more of me. Again, many thanks and God bless us. Okay? Bye for now and God bless.